stars. Lana Del Rey, Lana Del Rey. Sing it to me, sing it to me.
You're so easy to love. You make me cuckoo like a turtle does. So hard that I can't get enough of you.
Hey guys, I hope you didn't forget me because I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I've been busy. Anyways, today it's going to be a makeup thing, makeup video, makeup tutorial, whatever you make it. But a lot of people ask me how I do my makeup, how I do my hair, and by a lot of people, I mean the people I know, because I'm not famous in any shape or form. So I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. Hopefully I can speak without coughing because I've been down with the cough. If not, then like I'll do a voiceover in between, I guess. But you know, bear with me if I cough in between. I've been doing it the whole week. It's been irritating me. Anyways, we will start with it. Okay, as you can see, my face is completely bare and crusty looking. So we are going to start with some skin prep. And the only two products I use are moisturizer and sunscreen. So use whatever sunscreen and moisturizer you use. A lot on my forehead because it's huge to be a football ground. There's construction going on in my area. Like I can see from my window, there's this house that's being demolished right now. So the timing is very bad of me making this video. Okay, I have to wait before I put sunscreen on, but I'm impatient right now, so I'm just going to go with it. Also, make sure to use a sunscreen without white cast. Okay, the skin prep is done. My skin is not in great shape right now. As you can see, there had been some breakouts before. I don't know why. Maybe it's my cycle, but now we move on to the base. My base, I use two things, which one is a BB cream or a CC cream, whatever you call it, for my under eyes, because I don't know, I've never bought a concealer in my life, so
This is a very realistic tutorial, okay?
a realistic tutorial of a teenager, which honestly, like, this is my last year being a teenager, so I can't say that anymore. Which is scary. I don't want to grow up, but we have to. So I'm talking too much. I'm honestly talking too much. I should stick to the point. Okay, so I use a BB or CC cream, whatever it is. Wait, let me see. It's a baby. It's a baby. No, it's not a baby. It's a BB cream. So I use a BB cream on my under eye and on my blemishes, if you will. And then I use this very cheap foundation.
Honestly, I don't wear like base a lot when I do my makeup, so that's why I use a very cheap foundation because I don't care.
Okay, now that my under eye is bright as a ghost, I'm going to like powder it up. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm showing my thing, like how I do makeup. So bear with me. I'm going to use this thing. It's so disgusting. I've had this palette since forever. This is a palette from 6th grade. 6th grade, okay.
It's not expiring. I don't care if it's expiring.
I'm just going to put some powder to set that thing up, basically. Next thing I'm going to do is put some foundation. Like, it's not a foundation, it's a skin tint, basically. I matched the shade very perfectly when I bought this skin tint. Really blends in. And honestly, like, am I stupid for buying this? Because like I see no difference when I apply it. So I think the foundation part is done. Okay, so the next step would be blush. But I have a trick for blush, which is I think very useful, which is that you put cream blush and then layer it with a powder blush. I don't use a cream blush, by the way. You would think, oh, she uses a cream blush, now that's something. No, I use a lipstick. The same lipstick that we are going to use also during our lip combo. For cream blush replacement, you can do this with cream blush. I put lipstick. Now I'm going to take a brush, use the same palette. I'm going to use, oh my god, the crusty. I shouldn't be showing it. I shouldn't be showing this palette. It's disgusting. Okay, I'm going to use this shade here to apply it on top of what we did here. We need to use a mirror, guys. Sorry. It's a lot, but it sets. You know what I mean? It sets. At this point, my base is done. So now what I do is apply setting spray. Now I know people apply it after the whole makeup is done, but my setting spray is a little bit
wet. I'm under the water.
so I don't like to put it at last because it melts my other makeup off. So I'm going to just put it to secure the base. I forgot to bring my setting spray from where I keep my makeup, so I'm going to go get that shit. Okay, I got the setting spray. Now I need to just... This technique works because your base will not go anywhere. Your eyeshadow will not melt by this setting spray. If you have a cheap setting spray like me, your lipstick will not smudge. Everything will be in place. Okay, so the next step is going to be eyes, which is my favorite thing. So let's not waste our times with that. Okay, I'm going to start with a pinkish brownish base. So bear with me because I'm going to do it with my hand. I have taken a very bright red and brownish shade, which I'm going to do as a base for my eyeshadow. Can you see? Yeah, that's my base. Now that we added base to our eyes with this red brownish color, I'm going to go ahead with a darker shade of brown. It's almost a black shade, and I'm going to do the ends with that. Okay, that looks good. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to take this very golden color here and I'm going to put it like that.
I'm literally so stupid because you can't even see what I'm doing here, but basically I was putting golden eyeshadow in my cut crease area.
Can you see? Like, it looks really pretty in real life. So in the end, I'll obviously put some photos of how it looks. So we'll just skip to kajal because that's the main thing that's going to pull everything together, because it's a DESI glam look.
And we need a kajal. That's culture.
Honestly, I can say the brand of this kajal because they are a really good brand if you're looking for a kajal. It's called Rene. Okay, what I did there was basically I put a dot. I put a dot like that here, and then I put my nail there and I just pull it. So that makes it like a wing. It gives the effect of a wing and you don't have to put eyeliner. Next step is mascara because that's very important. Okay, the eyes are done. We are moving on to our lip combo. I'm using the Mars lip liner. Very affordable, readily available everywhere on Blinkit, wherever, you know. And it's honestly very good. It just works, okay? I'm using it in the shade Deep Dawn, which is a brown color.
Nothing after this clip is something that I'm speaking in that video. All of it would be voiceover because my stupid mic decided to die in the middle of the video. So, like, I have 20 minutes of footage with no sound. And voiceover is the solution because I'm not going to film this again. So, I'm basically going to explain everything I did from this point in this video through voiceover. Now that I've explained my idiocracy and why I'm doing a voiceover, this is me applying the brown lip liner that I showed you. And then I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used as blush. And I'm just going to dab it in between the space instead of pressing it and applying it. After I do the lipstick, I do a matte lipstick on top, which is a shade of brown. But this matte lipstick is very sheer, so it gives that brownish pink effect. This poor sweet soul doesn't know that her talking doesn't matter because there's no audio in these clips. But anyways, I'm applying bindi now because those are very crucial for desi looks, and it also has significance of Indian culture. Now these are some photos that I took with my Sony camera. It's a digicam, so it's very old, but I love the effect that it gives when I take photos with it. These are clips of me just showing off my makeup. Wow, I look good compared to what I look like right now doing this voiceover. I was explaining what I was wearing in terms of jewelry in this video, so I'll just tell you right now. Most of these pieces are from Elko Market in Bandra from my Mumbai trip, so that's that. Okay, that's it for my makeup tutorial video. I don't know who was interested, only my friends are watching this, but thank you if you made it till the end, and if you have any video ideas or stuff, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.